Hello circus fans, how are you? We're indoors today, so no sheep and horses, I'm afraid. But I've been sitting at my desk and my hips are a bit achy because I've been sitting there typing away. And I'm quite good at remembering to keep my shoulders open, and we've done some stretches for those. Let's have a few ways to mobilise our hips today. So, it's really important that our hip joint is kept moving in all the directions in which it can move, because it can go in lots of ways. And most of the time in life, it just goes backwards and forwards. So it can get a bit annoyed and a bit stuck doing that. So, they can go sideways too, which is useful when we're in the air doing all sorts of things, or on the floor doing all sorts of things. So, we can sit upright, knees bent, feet nice and wide apart, and just rock our knees in and out. You can probably see, as you do, I've got a tight muscle here that goes, oh no, I don't want to do that. So, that might be enough for some of us. We can take them outwards a little bit as well. If we're a little bit more mobile like that, then we can take it all the way so that both knees go over to the floor together. So we twist and then come back to sitting. We want to keep our pelvis as square as possible when we do it, so that our hips are rotating within their sockets. If I travel forwards a bit when I do that, if that's easy, then we can take it one stage further and make sure I'm in a position where you're going to be able to see me. We can rock our legs over and then continue rotating and come back down. Oh, wardrobe in the way. All of those things can help us to use all of the little muscles within our hips, keeping them nice and mobile and nice and strong. Give it a go. Let us know how you get on.